Have you ever considered how most corporations in America are structured essentially like private dictatorships, and most employees do not have any democratic control over their own workplaces? And do you think maybe that's part of the issue?
Just because someone gets rich doesn't mean someone gets poor. When someone works for somebody else, they're getting a wage, they're getting an opportunity. They're being able to get their kids through college, put food on the table. Where we disagree the most with the Marxist left is that the Marxists come after this and they will say it is inherently exploitation if someone is gaining wealth. That is wrong. That is fundamentally wrong. If you buy a product, not only did someone have to make the product, but they have a job, they have a wage, they're able to provide for themselves. But if your product isn't good, people are not going to buy it. If your product is worthless, people are not going to keep on buying it time and time again. That is why things get better over time. Capitalism does three things. Makes prices go down, quality go up, and more people that have more stuff. That is why the poorest people in America are the richest people in the world.
What about like people who don't have any money? If you use money to determine people's wants and needs, then essentially people who don't have any money are going to be left out.
This is, I mean,
it's like when money is speech.
What do you mean? How do you count people with no money? This is America. If you have no money, you can work hard and you will be rewarded for that. I started with absolutely nothing in my life, so I'm the person you're looking for. I'm the person you're looking for. I started my life $150,000 in debt. Came from a two-parent home. Apparently, my parents divorced. They couldn't give me any money. I was out on my own since I was 16 years old. I'm doing pretty well right now. You want to know what I did? I didn't turn to the government. I didn't cry. I didn't say white man bad or orange man bad. I got a job and I started working. And I paid down my student loan.
Give it up for Candace. Woo! Would you like to trade in your shirt for a Socialism Sucks shirt, or...